Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned developer, Replit AI can help speed up your workflow and make coding way easier. So, let's jump right in. First off, Replit AI is built right into the Replit online coding platform. It uses advanced artificial intelligence to assist you with writing code, debugging, and even explaining complex concepts. One of the best things about it is that you don't need to install anything locally. Everything happens directly in your browser. That makes it super accessible, especially if you're working on multiple devices or collaborating with others. When you start using Replit AI, you'll notice how it predicts your code as you type. This predictive feature can suggest entire lines or blocks of code based on what you've already written, which can save a ton of time. For example, if you're writing a function in Python, Replit AI might complete the function's structure for you or suggest common patterns to follow. It's like having a coding partner who's always ready to help. But that's not all. Replit AI also offers explanations and debugging help. If you're stuck on an error or don't understand why something isn't working, you can ask the AI to explain the problem. It breaks down the issue in plain English, so even if you're new to programming, you can learn and fix errors more effectively. This kind of immediate feedback can be a game changer, especially when working on challenging projects or learning new languages. Another cool feature is that Replit AI supports multiple programming languages, including Python, JavaScript, and even HTML CSS for web development. One thing I really appreciate is the integration of Replit AI with the platform's collaboration tools. If you're working with a team, you can share your code and have the AI help everyone stay on the same page. It can suggest improvements or catch errors before they make it into your final project, which helps maintain code quality and speeds up development. In conclusion, Replit AI is a powerful and user-friendly tool that helps developers code faster, learn better, and collaborate smarter.